Hello. Today, we're diving into the app Review Order Progress, Multilevel View. This app is designed to help you tackle production or procurement issues related to your orders. Let's start with an overview of the app. In the Document Type field, you can select a sales order, process order, or a production order. In the Document Number field, you can enter the order number. Here, we type in a sales order number and choose Go. This action will show all essential information of this order. One of the key features of this app is the table view with a multi-level structure. This visual representation allows you to see a product along with all its subcomponents. It helps you understand the dependencies and relationships between different parts of your order. Here, you'll find several important columns that provide detailed information. Let's take a closer look at these columns. First up, we have the material and material number columns. They show the name and ID of the components. The plant column shows details about the production plant. Next, the issues column is crucial. It flags any problems that might affect your order. This column follows the multi-level structure. At the top level, you'll find a summary of all issues associated with the entire product. Simply choose the info icon. This opens an info box with additional information about which components are affected and the type of issue. You can expand this structure to view issues at lower levels. Here we want to display the bicycle wheel bearing. Simply choose the arrow next to the component name to open an individual subcomponent, or choose the Expand Entire Tree button in the table menu to view all components. As you expand the tree structure, you'll notice that issues at lower levels are highlighted in red. This color coding makes it easy to identify and prioritize problems that need immediate attention. To view more details about a specific issue, select the highlighted entry. This will open a detailed view, providing you with necessary information to address the issue. By comparing the issues with other columns like Uncovered Quantities and Component Delay, you can derive actionable insights to solve these issues effectively. We'll go into more detail later. So let's have a closer look at the next columns. The Requirement Element column shows all requirement elements that exist for the components. The proposed requirement date is the date at which the required quantity of the component needs to be on hand. It depends on the superordinate component and considers in-house production time or external procurement time. It helps you determine whether a specific component is actually required earlier or later than the date specified in its requirement document. The Receipt Elements column lists the incoming supplies that exist for each requirement. If there is more than one, you'll see a plus icon next to the element and the word More. To view all, just click it. The availability date tells you when these supplies are expected to arrive or when in-house production is finished. The Uncovered Quantity column highlights any shortfall in materials, allowing you to derive corrective action promptly. It correlates with the issue type coverage not provided. You should analyze them together. Moving on, the Component Delay and Total Delay columns provide insights into any delays of receipts. The component delay affects an individual component and depends on the requirement date. Here it correlates with the issue type Reschedule in because it is caused by a scheduling problem. You might solve this by rescheduling production to an earlier time. Next, the total delay indicates the maximum delay a component can have at a specific level in the structure. This could be the case when subordinate components are delayed. It also depends on the proposed requirement date. You can also display additional columns like Covered Quantity, Missing Quantity, Late Quantity, and Requirement Date and other columns. Or you can export the component structure with all relevant information into a Microsoft Excel file. This creates a file that displays the multi-level structure of the product, including its components and all column details. Comparing the requirement and receipt elements and corresponding data helps you analyze the demand and supply situation. These columns give you a deeper understanding of your order's progress and help you make informed decisions. Be sure to explore the Review Order Progress app and see how it can benefit your business today. Thanks for watching. AI-generated audio.